Assalamualaikum, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to make aloo ka kacha bharta or spiced mashed potato, which is widely popular in subcontinent, which is Pakistan, India and Bangladesh. So before starting cooking, let's get into the brief history of kache aloo ka bharta. So according to Merriam-Webster, the first known use of kache aloo ka bharta was in 1891. Now first thing first, we will boil potatoes. After boiling, dump it in the bowl. Then mash it with all your might. Don't forget puri jaan, puri takat lagani hai. After it's properly mashed, we will add some finely chopped onions and finely chopped green chilies. Some salt, यानी कि नमक, black pepper, यानी कि काली मिर्च. Some fresh green corianders, बारीक कटा हुआ हरा धनिया. Then we'll mix it, mix and mix until it's fully mixed. Then decorate it if you want to. I'm not that talented in that department. Let me get this straight. And drum roll. Our aloo ka kacha bharta is ready. Eat it however you like. It's mostly eaten as a side dish. So that was my step towards the decoding of kache aloo ka bharta. I will be back with some super basic and easy recipe next time. Until then, take care.